Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing how to make some delicious pilau at the comfort of your home, super quick and super easy. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. This dish is one of my favorite meals to make because it's super easy and super quick, and you can just throw in everything onto one pot and you'll come up with something really good for dinner or for lunch, and the family would really enjoy. So I'll start off by putting in my onions, and then I will have them crisp and golden, and then I will add in my chicken, then my spices and cloves, then my rice goes in next. What fascinates me about this is actually that it doesn't take much of your time and actually needs very little ingredients. We don't actually put tomatoes or tomato paste, it just needs onions and the rice and the protein, and you're good to go. So we'll be stirring the chicken until it's golden, and we're just going to ensure that it fries a little. So I'm just going to cover the pot. Then for about 5 minutes later, I open and stir it again, and then I'm ready to now put in my rice so that I can now mix it until it gets the brown color. Once it gets the brown color, we're just going to put in the hot water and let it boil until it cooks properly. Once it is done, this is how it should be looking. I just put up some coriander on top and it was so delicious, guys. Please try out this recipe, you'll enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.